Friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here once again. I'm going to talk about a topic which is very hot now because lots and lots of people are worried about leverage. There were news about SEBI reducing the leverage, and then many are worried that you need more funds, our strategies might not work, and etc. 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 So, friends, in today's video, I will touch upon this topic. I'll also give you a few positive news as well, and also a few tricks how to get rid of all these issues which you are newly facing because of leverage, because of the increase in the amount required for trading. So all these details are available in this video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button. So, friends, the happy news, the most happiest news for all the ATF members, the ATF family, is that we don't have to worry much about leverage because I have almost taken precaution in terms of money management. In case if you're following any of my strategies, you can trade without any tension as of now. Okay, the word is as of now because now it is just reduced by 4x only. So, as of now, brokers are providing 4x leverage and we are not having any issue till 2021 March. And after that, if they further try to reduce, then we might have some problem. Okay, so what you should do in such kind of conditions? What is the tricks which we have to make sure that we don't have to use full funds, or how is that a common person with small fund can trade? So all that I'll be explaining to you in this video. So before that, let me give you one more update. So since I'm part of this brokerage teams as well, I'm a marketing partner of Upstock and Zerodha. So we had meetings, and during those meetings we were assured one thing, that is they conveyed as one thing, that the brokers are planning for something big and they will not let it go so easily, because you know that big brokerages companies and all will come to a standstill. They will lose huge businesses in case if this comes into effect. So they are trying their best to do something, and we can expect it to happen in 2021. It's not that the leverage will be completely removed. Yeah. Okay, by saying this, friends, I will just show you few tricks which you can do. So what you can do is, I'll just show you as of now present. This is the span calculator of Zerodha. Almost I can say almost all brokerages will be in the same format. So for reference sake, I'll just take Nifty, which is a quantity of 75, and you all know that if the leverage goes off, this is what is the fund required for trading. Okay, so this is the fear which all the common people are having as of now, because they don't have 1.5 lakhs, and as of now all brokerages are providing leverage and they're trading with a small amount. But in case if this gets implemented, then it will be a very big nightmare, because you need to keep 1,55,000 in your account. Okay, approximate 1.5 lakh, this is the margin money, plus you need extra money for maintaining your losses and profits and all those things. So what do we do? How do we manage this kind of situation? Friends, long time back, not even long time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and I had made a series of video called as hedging. Okay, all live tradings were posted here. Yes, you can see here, or hedging, covered call, covered put. So when I was making these videos and making regular profits and losses, you would have seen me making regular profits and losses in this. So there are many who were asking me during that time, sir, why do you want to implement this hedge and reduce your profits, reduce your losses? I think by now you should have got the answer, because even SEBI wants you to do the same thing. The whole world, or the knowledgeable people wants you to do the same thing. They don't want you to trade naked. They want you to hedge your positions, so that your money is safe. You don't make use of leverage. Mind you, leverage is a double edged sword. If not used properly, it can kill you, or it can be used constructively. So I was just recollecting these old days when I was doing this hedging. So I was getting profits, the hedging was removing few of my profits, and many were asking me. In fact, I should say many were criticizing me, telling that you're unnecessarily wasting your profits because you're doing hedging. Friends, now just look at this situation. Yeah, where is this? Yeah, we have our calculator. This is if you're trading with future. Now just imagine I am just adding a hedge. So what you just have to do is safeguard your hedge. As of now, Nifty is around 13,400, 500. So let me have an hedge at 13,000, and now you can see the margin has reduced drastically to less than 50%. You can see now it is just required 68,000 rupees only. This is the beauty of hedging, and the government, or you can say SEBI, whom I told you, is taking care of all the retailers, the interest of retailers, so that you don't get you don't lose your money. So they have come out with this system where you hedge your funds. So this is what you have to understand. Okay, so don't get worried that yes, you have to spend 1.5 lakh rupees for taking a future. You just have to take a future and hedge it with an option. So people, those who don't know much about options, I recommend you to please go through my channel. There are lots and lots of videos about hedging. All these are live trades, mind you friends. I have done continuously full trading, and I've posted all the videos. You can just go through losses and profits. Everything is posted. You can see that continuously I have posted everything. Go through this hedging. You will learn a lot of hedging. There are many techniques which you can do. When it comes to options, you have something called as spreads, vertical spread, the credit spread, debit spread. It's not very complicated. I recommend you to just go through. You'll get a very clear idea. It will really help you to take directional trade. Say for example, you want to sell an option in a particular direction. So instead of spending 1.5 lakh, you can just take a call spread, spreads. Yeah. So in that way, what happens, your money is safe, as well as your margin required also is very less. And also I agree, profit will reduce. You have to be ready for that. But ultimate main aim is that hedge your position so that your portfolio is safe. Okay, now coming to one more alternatives which is available. So recently I was in touch with a broker. So they were approaching me for making some videos and all those things. So the happy news which I received from them is called nothing but, I'm not revealing the broker's name as of now, because I don't want to market it or anything of now. What they're doing is the brokers are coming out with something called as margin facility. So what they do is that, in case if you need 1.5 lakh rupees for trading, they will provide you loan for a single day. Yes, this is going to be practical. This was happening in foreign countries, or this was there are even, if at all you would observe in India, the forex trading, many apps are available now, so they all provide this kind of facility. So that is going to come into our trading as well from now onwards, if this gets implemented 100%. That is, if at all the full brokerage leverage goes off, and then if you're not, you need full 1.5 lakh for trading, then brokers have come out with this solution. Okay, so almost all the big brokers will have this facility called as margin, where they will provide you loan for 1 day, and the interest is very small. It is just 7% per annum. So if it is 7% per annum, you know that if you are taking loan of 1 lakh rupees, you have to pay 7,000 rupees uh, as interest. Okay, so this is not going to be full year interest. You're just taking in case if you need money only. So you're not going to take money on Saturday, you're not going to take money on Sunday, you're not going to take money on holidays. Only when you need money for trading, you'll be taking. So the interest will come down very drastically. So in case if you want to calculate and just see. Okay, so it is going to be 0.07 divided by 365. It's going to be 0.0001%. Okay, so in case if you are borrowing 1 lakh, I'll just show you. 2 1 2 3, it's just going to be hardly 19 rupees. Kindly excuse me if there's any wrong in this math here. I think okay, so it's just going to be hardly 19 rupees only. So let me just multiply by 365 days and see. Wait a second, where is a clear symbol? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, 7,000 rupees is annual interest. Okay, so friends, this is the happy news which I got. So you can see that hardly with just spending 20 rupees, it's almost like just spending your brokerage amount. You know that when you're buying a call and selling a call, you just charge, they charge you 20 rupees. So same thing is going to happen now. They are going to provide margin. So this was told by one among the big brokerage company itself. So one more thing which is told is many small brokerage companies might get closed, so the big ones will remain, and they'll provide this facility, and then you can continue your trading as normal as you want, like the way you want. Okay, so friends, so nothing to worry about leverage. As I told you, it's a double-edged sword. If you still want to continue with the leverage, there are facilities going to happen, but the best and the safest method, as I told you, is please do your hedging. And this is high time, friends, learn about hedging. And in case if you are still not aware about hedging, I recommend you to please watch my videos, go through my channel. I have explained about spreads, and then there is covered call, covered put, collar strategies. All these kinds of hedges are available here. You can see from the month of this financial year, almost every day I have done live trading, and I have posted everything. You can just go through all this. I'm using covered calls, covered put, collar strategy, as well as spread strategies, straddle, strangle, everything I have used. Almost all the hedge strategies I used, and the margin required will reduce very drastically. And any other support, any other confusion, always you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. Last but not the least, let me tell you, leverage is a double edged sword. Please do handle it safely. Thank you and have a nice day.